Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce how to use NCL Quick Look tool, which is a new feature in 6.62 version of NCL. So, which used for have a quick look at our data using in X11 window. So we can have a without typing any commands or anything. We can have a quick look with our data. First of all, I will show with the sample data here. I will open my terminal window, then I will activate my Conda environment of NCL. Conda activate NCL. Stay with me. Our environment is activated. Then NCL quick look. Then the file. It's a premise. Then I will process the button. So it's a AOD data from this NC file. Since this data file don't have much variables, just one AOD data, that's why it's quickly showing this plot. If your data have multiple variables in your NC or in your data file, it will show the variables, and you can type the variable name, then press enter. You can see the output. Okay, that's it. Thank you.